What's up, military millionaires? I'm your host, David Pere, and today we're going to be talking about some of my favorite personal finance YouTubers and some of their different personalities, quirks, styles, and ways that they get you to help watch their channels so that you can learn about personal finance, real estate, crypto, whatever it may be. But as many of you know, we focus on growth and learning and personal development on this channel. And one of the things that I've really been struggling with is how to kind of get out of my own way by outsourcing different things. And so what I want to do is, for the duration of this video, we're test piloting me outsourcing myself to film content. And well, you'll kind of see what I mean by that as we go along. What's up, guys? Graham, it's here. How does his...
It's what's up, Graham? It's guys here.
What's up, Graham? It's
what's up, Graham? It's guys here.
Oh. What's up, Graham? It's Guys here, and today we are coming to you live with our 50-cent iced coffee to talk to you without any self-promotion about personal finance.
And in this video, today we're going to be talking about why the market is crashing for the 50th time with a bunch of, you can see right here, I'm going to put a bunch of web articles and we're going to reference them and we're going to get into it right now.
Don't forget to obliterate or smash the like button, or you could just tickle it a little bit if that's more your fancy. No judgment here, but whether you tickle or smash the like button, click it or else. Hey, it's Andrei Jikh here. Come for the finance, stay for the magic trick. Check this out. Watch. 10 of diamonds. Now I'm going to shuffle the deck of cards. See me shuffling? I'm clearly shuffling. I used to be really good at this shuffle. Clearly shuffling. Obviously, the deck is shuffled. Today we're going to talk about crypto and how it goes up, and then it goes down, and then it goes up and down. But,
and look at that. 10 of diamonds. Totally legit. Totally worked out. And in this video, I know that you've seen on the topic of this video that I had just drained my crypto portfolio, but it's actually the opposite of that, so the title doesn't relate at all to this video. So we're going to talk about crypto and how it goes up and down right now.
Hey everybody, welcome back to WhiteBoard Finance. My name is Marco, and I'm here to help you build wealth and do other financial things. Now, thank you to our host, Military Millionaire, for sponsoring this video, but more on that later.
So let's get back to the video of hand today, and today we're going to be talking about how you are here and you need to get here. And to get here, you need to stop being here. So if you keep going along this path and you want to get more like me to get here, you're going to notice that if you keep being here, you're going to start creating a person like this, and this will end up to be you if you keep staying here with your money. So remember, like I said in every single video, especially this one, stop being here and stop being this and start being this. Thank you for watching.
Hey guys, JJ here, and today we're going to be drinking this obscure beer from Springfield Brewing Company called the Green Ghost IPA. It is an India Pale IPA India Pale Ale brewed and canned in Springfield, Missouri. Small town in Missouri, most of you probably never heard of, but you know. It's got alcohol, 6.5% in it, and tasty. Bet you wish you had one of these. Anyway, today we're going to be talking, yeah, you guessed it, dividends. Again, listen guys, dividends are like this beer can. You can buy this beer and drink it, or you can buy this beer and then drink it really slowly, and it's like it's kind of giving you just a little bit every year, and then just hope that over time it gets better because it's paying you in beer over time as you enjoy. And if you do that long enough, and sometimes it'll ferment, and I don't know where I'm going with that, but dividends. I have a tracker.
But yeah, anyways, guys, and also don't forget to check out the merch. You know, we got a new shirt, and check out the podcast, of course. What else does he say? So yeah, guys, don't forget to, check out the merch in the description below. And also, in addition to the, oh yeah, and I paid off my house, just to make sure to let you guys know. But just back to the beer thing, and if you weren't tracking, I paid off my house with dividends, and again, I have a tracker.
Boop, boo, doo, doo. Meet Kevin here, guys. And today on my treadmill, early in the morning, working out, we are going to be not talking about my courses, which you can get for a discount on Teachable, or me running for governor, which you should vote for. But we're going to be talking about real estates and stocks and how much money I made talking about real estates and stocks to you to buy more real estates and stocks by talking to you.
In addition to real estate and stocks, we're going to be talking about the next number 5 stimulus check. And you can actually get the stimulus check update on metkevin.com/stimulus check, along with my courses that are totally really good if you really want to get into real estate and stocks. But enough of that. We're going to get another stimulus check. We need to get about this right now.
All right, now we've got one serious channel, well, not serious channel, but channel I actually wanted to talk about briefly, and that's my buddy Austin Clark. And so he's the guy who's been playing me all video. So Austin's been SkillBridge with me for the last, well, I guess a few months, but this is the first week like in person. And so SkillBridge, for those of you who don't know, is a cool internship in the military that allows you to get your feet wet and try out new jobs and new things, and in his case, learn about real estate and YouTube. And he's been helping me out a ton. He's been doing some thumbnails, done some videos. You've probably seen some other content with me, or with him, or with both of us, or whatever. He did the video on medical MOSs that are, I don't know diddly about that, and he does. So I'm going to let him swap over again real quick, not as me this time, and tell you a little bit about his channel and why, if it's a good fit, you should go check it out.
So what's up, guys? I'm Austin Clark, and I do a lot of content on passive income and just ways to really replace your 9-to-5 paychecks. Lately, I've been doing a lot of different types of crypto income projects that aren't like Dogecoin and things that are just going to the moon, but actual projects that have utility and things that can provide passive income to you. But I also kind of, touch on real estate and things of the passive nature and not really the active parts of real estate, along with some, kind of the boring staples like dividend growth investing. So make sure if that fits you, if that kind of vibes with whatever you want to do, make sure you go over to my channel, subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you over there.
Honestly, it might even be funnier if it was like not related at all and you were just like doing like random pretending like that we just cut you can say whatever the fuck you want and make some motions and then it'll like not be synced at all.
I got you.
And it'll be like, so it's like a crap. Hey, it's Andrei Jikh here. Is it Jikh?
Yeah. That's actually funny. You need to keep that in.
Say it wrong?
Yeah.
Oh, just say the... Hey, everybody. It is hey, everybody, right? Yeah. See, this is like a recurring theme of me not knowing how to say these things.
Dude, you killed me when you said dividends. Oh my God.
Oh, we didn't...
Oh, we didn't do the smash the light.
We didn't do the... Oh, you know what? I'm gonna throw it in there.
Just edit it in.
Yeah, I'll show you.